How to take control of your trading. Inspired by Dr. Joe Dispenza's teachings. Trading is not just about numbers and charts. It's about your mindset, your habits, and your ability to stay in control no matter what the market throws at you. Dr. Joe Dispenza teaches us that our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. Let's use this principle to transform your trading game. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 steps and the actions you have to take to take control of your trading. Step number 1. Rewire your trading beliefs. Every time you face a loss or a setback, what's your first thought? Is it frustration, self-doubt, or fear? Take a pause. Recognize these emotions. They are signals from your brain stuck in a cycle of past. Now, the action step to overcome this. Start each trading session with 5 minutes of visualization. See yourself executing trades calmly and successfully. Imagine feeling proud of following your system, regardless of the outcome. Step number 2. Create a powerful trading routine. Dr. Dispenza emphasizes the importance of breaking old habits to create a new future. You can also apply this to your trading. Replace impulsive decisions with disciplined routines. The action step to overcome this is design a pre-trading ritual. For example, review your trading plan, journal your current emotions, or you can set an intention that I will follow my strategy with discipline today. Now, step number 3. Master emotional resilience. The market can be chaotic, but you don't have to be. When you act based on fear or greed, you lose control. Instead, focus on staying calm no matter the market's behavior. To overcome this, the action step is after every trade, write down that what you felt and why. Did you stick to your plan? If not, what triggered your awareness? What triggered you? Awareness is the first step to mastery. Step number 4. Train your brain to focus on systems, not outcomes. Success in trading is about sticking to a proven system, not chasing quick wins. Dr. Dispenza teaches us to detach from outcomes and trust the process. The action step to implement this step is set a clear rule. Celebrate every time you follow your system, even if it results in a loss. This reinforces good habits over time. Step number 5. Use the power of gratitude. Gratitude is so powerful that it can shift the reality of negative thoughts and negative beliefs to positive thoughts and beliefs. Dr. Dispenza says, gratitude rewires the brain for positivity and growth. Use this to fuel your trading mindset. The action step to implement this is end your trading day by writing down 3 things you are grateful for. This could be learning from your mistake, having the discipline to follow your system, or simply the opportunity to trade. These steps could make your mind more in control. So, take action of your trading journey today. Start small. Implement one of these steps right now. Share your progress in the comments below. And if you are ready to unlock more actionable strategies, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon for weekly inspiration. Your future is in trading is not defined by the market. It's defined by you. Let's make it extraordinary.